Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened PowerShell, look at the blinking cursor, and immediately thought, yeah, I'm not doing this today? Because that was me. For years, I knew PowerShell was powerful. I knew administrators were using it to automate tasks and manage Microsoft 365 much faster than the admin portal. But every time I needed a script, I found myself spending way too much time searching online, copying commands, testing them, fixing errors, and honestly, sometimes just giving up. So most of the times, I avoided PowerShell completely and went back to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. And maybe you have done the same. But recently, that completely changed for me. Today, I'm going to show you how I'm using PowerShell almost every day, even though I'm not a PowerShell expert. And the secret is using AI, specifically a Gemini gem that acts like a personal PowerShell assistant. My name is Carlos, and I help small businesses around the world with their Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace subscription. For more information, visit itwithcarlos.com. If you want to get more out of these tools, consider subscribing. Now let's talk about PowerShell. PowerShell is basically a command line tool that allows administrators to manage Microsoft 365 using scripts and commands. And the reason PowerShell is so powerful is because it allows you to do things that are difficult and sometimes impossible to do in the admin portals. For example, you can retrieve information from hundreds of users at once. You can automate repetitive tasks. You can perform security checks across your entire tenant. The problem is, you normally need to know the exact commands and how to build the script. And that's the part that stops many administrators from using it. This is where AI becomes incredibly helpful. Instead of trying to learn every PowerShell command, I created a gem in Gemini that acts as my PowerShell assistant. Basically, this gem is trained with instructions to help generate PowerShell scripts, specifically for Microsoft 365 administration. So, instead of writing the script myself, I just describe what I want to do. And the gem generates the PowerShell script for me, explains it, and even tells me how to connect to Microsoft 365 before running it. Let me show you how this works. First, we need to create a gem. If you're not familiar with Gemini gems yet, I actually have another video where I explain what they are and how to create them step by step. I will leave a link to that video in the description below. Also, you can find it here. But in simple terms, Gem is basically a customized version of Gemini that you can train with instructions so it behaves exactly the way you want. In this case, we are going to create a gem that acts as a PowerShell assistant for Microsoft 365 administrators. Inside Gemini, you need to go to Gems and click on Create a new gem. I called mine your PowerShell assistant for Microsoft 365. Then we provide instructions telling the AI how it should behave. For example, I instructed to prefer modern Microsoft 365 PowerShell models like Microsoft Graph and Exchange Online. Include connection steps. Explain what the script does. Add comments in the code so it is easy to understand. Now, if you want to save some time, you don't have to write this prompt yourself. I will leave a link in the description where you can download the exact prompt that I used to create this gem. So you can simply copy it and create your own PowerShell assistant for Microsoft 365. Once the gem is saved, it is ready to use anytime I need help with PowerShell. Now, the interesting part is actually using it. Instead of trying to write a script myself, I simply ask the gem what I want to do. Let me show you a few examples. For example, let's say I want to list all shared mailboxes in my Microsoft 365 tenant. Instead of searching online for commands, I just ask, generate a PowerShell script to list all shared mailboxes in Microsoft 365. Then the gems generate the script, shows the required models, and explain what the script does. So within my gem, I enter my prompt. Generate a PowerShell script to list all shared mailboxes in Microsoft 365. So here's the result, and an explanation of what I need to do. I got here the goal of the script, what I need to run the script. I need Exchange Online management module, and I also need the admin credentials. It is telling me you will be prompted to sign in. Then I have the script here. I also get line-by-line explanation. So let's copy the script. I just click here, and it will copy it in my clipboard. I will open PowerShell. At this point, I'm working on a Windows computer. So I will find here the 64-bit version and also the 32-bit version. I will use the 64 bits. I will do right-click, and I will run it as an administrator. It is asking me for permission. I click on yes. Now here, I'm ready to paste the script. I do right-click, and it will paste it. So the first step in the script, it is asking me for the admin email address or username. So I enter my username, the one with global admin role, and I hit enter. I can read here, the script checked if I have the Exchange Online module. So it is installing it. And it also tells me that no get is required to continue. So I click on yes and hit enter. It is installing the Exchange Online module. And now it is asking for my password. Then I click on sign in. And I need to approve the access because of multi-factor authentication. Once I log in, the script continues its process. And now it is completed. I got here the message, success. The list has been saved in your desktop. And here is the name of the CSV file where it saved the information. Let's have a look to the CSV file. And here's the file. I'm going to open it with the notepad. Within this tenant, I have two shared mailboxes, ventas@itv.cloud and also sales@itv.cloud. Going back to PowerShell, I can see the script disconnected from Exchange Online, which is always a good idea. Once I hit enter to continue, I found this error. If I find any error in PowerShell, I can ask the gem to give me an explanation. I'm going to copy it. And I will go back to the gem. And I'm going to say, I got this error, and I paste the error. And it gives me an explanation. It looks like you may have tried to run the finally block on its own. As I see, this is something I don't need to worry about. Here's another example that is very useful from a security perspective. Sometimes when an account is compromised, attackers create email forwarding rules so they can monitor messages. So we can ask the gem, generate a PowerShell script to find mailboxes that have email forwarding enabled. And again, the gem generates a script and explain it. This makes it much easier to run quick security checks in your Microsoft 365 environment. And it is going to be, generate a PowerShell script to find mailboxes that have email forwarding enabled. I click on submit. I got the goal of the script, also what I need. And here's the actual script. And again, a line-by-line explanation. So let's copy the script. I just need to click here, and I will go back to PowerShell. I do right-click to paste the script and start running it. It is asking me again for the admin user. I enter my username and hit enter. The script is running, and here on the script, I have the result. I can see that I have a user jose@itb.xyz, and it is forwarding to an email address, carlos@askitb.xyz. Here's another powerful example. If an attacker gains access to a mailbox, they often create hidden inbox rules to move or delete messages. Generate a PowerShell script to retrieve inbox rule from all mailboxes in Microsoft 365. So I click on Submit, and I got my new script. I have it here. Let's copy it, and let's go back to PowerShell. Now here, I do right click. It is asking me for the admin user again, and I hit enter. The script is running, and here I can see the result. No inbox rules were found in any mailbox. This is the kind of task that would normally require researching multiple commands and building a script manually. But with AI, you can generate it in seconds. And honestly, this is the reason why I now use PowerShell much more often. Before AI, I avoided it because creating scripts could take too much time. But now, if I need to check something in a Microsoft 365 tenant, I just ask the gem to generate a script. Then I review it, understand what it does, and run it. It is almost like having a PowerShell expert helping you every time you need a command. So if you have been avoided PowerShell because it feels complicated, AI might completely change the experience for you. Instead of memorizing commands, you can focus on what you want to accomplish and let the AI help generate the script. And in many cases, the AI can help you understand how the script works. And remember, if you want to create your own PowerShell Assistant gem, you can download the prompt I used from the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, stay secure in the cloud, keep tech savvy, and one step ahead with AI.